Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer recurring payments using QuickBooks Bill Pay detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer recurring payments using QuickBooks Bill Pay, start by logging into your QuickBooks account. Navigate to the dashboard where you will find various options. Select the Expenses tab from the left sidebar menu. Within the Expenses section, click on Vendors to access your vendor list. Locate and select the vendor you wish to set up for recurring payments. Once you are on the vendors page, look for the option labeled Set up Recurring Payment. Click on the Set up Recurring Payment button to initiate the process. Fill out the required fields, including the payment amount and frequency. Select the payment method you would prefer for the transaction. Next, set a start date for when you want the recurring payments to begin. If applicable, define an end date for the recurring payments to cease. Review all the information you've entered to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Save button to finalize the setup. You should now see the recurring payment listed under the vendor's information. To manage existing recurring payments, return to the Vendors section. Select the vendor whose recurring payments you wish to modify. You can edit or delete recurring payments as needed from this page. If you encounter any issues, refer to QuickBooks Help Resources for additional guidance. That's the complete process for transferring recurring payments using QuickBooks Bill Pay. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.